Okay, so now it's time to sign up for a Google Map API key. So what you do is you go to google.com and you type in Google Map API or Google Maps API. Either one will get you to the correct place. Let me go ahead and show you the URL just in case you want to type it in. It's code.google.com/APIs/maps. But again, Google's going to direct you very quickly and easily. If you just go to google.com and type in Google Maps API. So once you arrive at the Google Maps API main page, over on the right hand side you've got how do I start, and one of the first links is sign up for excuse me, a Google Maps API key. So let's go ahead and click that. And once you land on the page to sign up for the Google Maps API, they're going to ask you to log into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, it's free. It's the same account that you could use to set up Gmail or any of the other free Google features. But Gmail is very popular. If you don't have it already, I highly recommend it. But even if you don't use Gmail, you just want to sign up for the free account, that's fine. It's this is a free service. Now I will give you an important tip. After you click that you've read the terms and conditions and go ahead and read those, then what you want to do is you want to register your main domain. So for example, in mine I'm going to do www.jbdemo.com. Okay, so that will give me the ability to do jbdemo.com/maps or jbdemo.com/Google Map. Whatever it is, as long as it's within jbdemo.com, then everything should work fine. Where you might need to register another key would be if you did something like a subdomain, like if you did map.jbdemo.com. So what I recommend is, just to keep things simple, you just do the main domain name, www.yourwebsite.com, or whatever your URL is. Then you hit Generate API Key. And as you can see, Google's asking for me to log into my Google account, so I'll go ahead and pause the video and do that. And then when I hit play again or hit record, I'll show you what the Google Map API key looks like. And this is what an API key looks like, and it says this is good for all URLs in this directory, and it gives you some example web page code to use. So what I want to do is highlight. I'll right click and choose copy, and then I'll open up a notepad document, right click and choose paste, and I'll save that as Google Map API.txt, so I have that for future reference. But what I really want is the script source right here. So this is what's going to give us the ability to pull in the Google Map code. You see the source right here. It says source equals http://maps.google.com, and then all the rest of this is just the Google API key once again. So it's already putting our Google API key into the source code. So when it goes to Google server and requests the Google Map, it's sending your key to Google. Google verifies it, and then it sends the information back. So what I want to do now is go back over to Notepad and give myself some room right here. And I'm in file number demo 10, and so this is where you would go and paste this in before the closing head tag where all the rest of your JavaScript is. So this would be the place where you want to add it right here. So I'll right click and choose paste, and I just want to make sure that this is all on one line. And so there we go. So then what I'll do is I'll save that and I'll upload that to the server, and we should be off and running. So that's how you go and grab the Google Map API key, how you generate a key for yourself, save it to a text file, and then grab the script source code, and I'll show that to you again. That's everything from here to here, and you want to copy and paste that into your actual HTML or PHP as it is, and then save that file and upload it to your web server.